start helping us again.
Looks awful quiet. Did we miss it?
2356 was a false alarm. All officers stand down.
Consider this a sign. Now let's just go bowling, man.
Officers require backup out of 2319 downtown Munisburg.
Jackpot! Backup is on the way, boys.
Fine. But $5 says it's wrapped up when we get there.
You're on. Cops already caught him.
I'll say it again. This is sad.
But I miss it, Lucius. Helping people. It was my purpose.
Bob, your family is your purpose now.
Why can't it be both?
Any officers not doing actual police work? An old lady with her cat stuck up a tree could use a little help.
Hear that? We are helping somebody before we go home. Come on.
Come on down, Squeaker. Come on.
Hey, everything okay, ma'am?
My cat Squeaker won't come down.
Don't worry. We'll help you get little Squeaker back. Won't we, Lucius?
Mm-hmm. Of course. Happy to help.
Thank you so much.
This shouldn't take too long.
Just be cool. Just be cool. Yeah, Squeaker. Good boy. Don't be scared.
Thank you so much for helping us.
We have a report on a fire downtown Munisburg. Civilians still inside.
All right, we're close. Yeah, baby. What happened? How many people are still inside?
How many people? Oh, I'm afraid we are very busy today, gentlemen. Do you have reservations?
Yeah! Reservations about this hotel stand up much longer. There's no water in the air. I'm out of ice.
Well, you may actually be in luck. We have had a surprising number of people checking out recently.
Sir, you need to leave now. The building is on fire.
Ah, so you have noticed there's an issue with the climate control. Let me reassure you that we are looking into the situation.
Come on, Lucius, we gotta act fast. We need to get everybody out. Wait a minute. We may also have to deal with some unwelcome guests along the way. Come on, let's go.
Saving people and fighting off thieves? These things are never easy, are they?
Hey, we're here to rob the place. We got nothing to do with this fire.
Doesn't matter. We have to get these people out of here, and you're not getting in our way.
You want to fight about it? You got it!
Ski masks in a blazing inferno was not our best costume idea. We've got to get these people away from the flames, but I need water to use my power.
I couldn't bother you gentlemen to save me, could I? It's a little hot.
Tepid water. But at least I've got some power back. Help me!
This is not what I need the day before the stakeholders meeting.
Cool down, sir. I'm on my way. Come with us. We've got more people to save, but we'll keep you safe.
Oh, thank you. After being in a fire today, getting fired is the last thing I need.
Whew, it's heating up in here. We have to find more water coolers if I'm gonna use my power.
Trying to take this stuff back. Stop him!
Bozo. Let's teach him a lesson. Watch out! Everybody's back! Lucius, look!
Don't worry, man. We're here to save you.
You're starting to enjoy this, aren't you?
Maybe. A little, yeah.
It's getting a little warm in here, Lucius. You want to pick things up a bit?
Yeah, put that down. I don't want to end up flame broiled. Come on, Bob. I'd rather not get trapped in here. Honey would never forgive me.
Dear, please be careful. The building is on fire, and it's very dangerous in here.
You are absolutely right, ma'am. I'm just gonna grab a drink, and we'll be on our way.
Fire gets very hot, you know.
Watch out, people! I've got a life to save! Okay, Bob, let's get these folks to safety. Watch your step, people.
All right! Stay right in my tail. This is gonna get hot. Lucius?
It's fine. You've got a soft landing. Go, go, go! Glad we got those people to safety, but that might not be everybody.
You're right. We better pick up the pace. It's getting dangerous in here.
Oh, it's only getting dangerous now. So collapsing floors and fighting thieves before was completely safe.
Ow.
We need to cut off the fuel of that fire. Not good, not good, not good!
Hello. Didn't want to miss my stories, you know, but I suppose I ought to join you fellas.
Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am. It's time to check out now. I'm gonna need to borrow your floor if that's okay.
Oh, sure, you betcha.
That'll stop those flames from reaching us, if we all fit under it, and you don't drop it.
Stay close, guys.
Orta, that looks heavy. You're a strong fella.
I like to keep myself in shape, ma'am. Work out, you know, eat my greens.
Oh, for sure. My problem is too much TV.
How are we gonna get out of here?
Don't worry. I got this in hand.
Come on, Bob, throw me! That bag can fall at any minute!
Ow. Ow.
That was actually pretty fun.
Be careful, Lucius. Honey's gonna want you home in one piece.
All I'm saying is, I had a bucket full of ice cream, and now it ain't there.
I didn't steal your precious ice cream. It melted. It's like 150 degrees in here.
Don't change the subject. I want my milkshake!
This is probably a bad idea. Here goes nothing.
Oh, it said it could hold 1,000 pounds of weight. 1,000 pounds.
And that's why you don't use the elevator in emergencies. Come on, we'll get you out of here.
Oh!
Whew, I'm alive.
Everything okay over there?
Just grabbing a drink. I'll be right back.
He's a thirsty boy, eh?
Let's get you over here in style.
Okay, now you're just showing off.
Say, do you remember that super from a few years ago? Cold Tail. Refrigerator guy?
You mean Frozone?
Frozone, that's the fella. I watched a show about his ice powers once. You kind of remind me of him.
Maybe I'll share his handsome good looks.
No, you don't look anything like him. The firing ice from your hands, though, that's like him.
You're really strong, like super strong. It's incredible.
Help! Help me! It's gonna fall!
Heads up! That could come down in any second.
Looks pretty heavy, too. Don't think the building could take it if that thing collapses.
Gotta lower it down.
And teach these thieves a lesson. I am a big fan of this big thing.
Yeah, you finally got a fan.
Hey, I had fans. Thank you very much. Not all of us wanted fan clubs and little toys and things, man.
I'm so grateful. I thought I was a goner for sure.
Not a problem. Now be careful, the floor doesn't look much safer.
I got this one. Yes, more water. I'm all filled up. Let's do this. Time to fight fire with ice.
Okay. Which way? Which way?
Aha! Got it! Where's Splashdown when you need it? Or even Blazestone? Either of those troopers would be great right about now.
Stone, you still hydrated?
Yeah, I'm good. For now.
I can't hold it up and climb underneath. I'm gonna need a hand, Lucius.
I can't hold that up. Who do you think I am? Meta Man?
Use your powers, genius. Whew. Hey, nice work, Lucius.
More like ice work.
Hey, Lucius. You still want to go bowling?
Sure. But first I'd like to get out of this burning building.
Two birds, one stone, my friend.
go bowling after all. Right. Is that everybody?
Yeah, that's everyone. Uh-oh. Oh, good.
Oh, now. That ain't right. We look like bad guys. Incompetent bad guys.
Freeze! Freeze!
I'm thirsty.
I said freeze!
I'm just getting a drink. I'm just going to change the bottle.
Okay. Would you like me to help you with that?
This is not good, Bob.
Just relax. We just stay cool and drive home like nothing happened.
I don't know if you've noticed, Bob, but the police set up roadblocks because they're looking for jewelry thieves.
Well, then, I guess it's good that we have certain advantages to help us in situations like this.
Whatever it takes, man. Just don't make me try and explain this to Honey from jail.